In this video, I'll show you how to disable auto-renewal in Hostinger. If you want to stop future automatic charges for your hosting plan, domain, or other hosting or service, the good news is that you can do it directly inside your hPanel. Hostinger manages auto-renewal from the billing area, and each service can be controlled individually with its own toggle. First, log into your Hostinger account and open hPanel. Once you're inside, go to the billing section. From there, click on Subscriptions. This is the page where you can see your active services, renewal settings, and billing options. Now find the specific service for which you want to turn off auto-renewal. This could be a hosting plan, a domain, or another subscription. On the same row as that service, you should see the auto-renewal toggle. Click that toggle to disable it. Hostinger may show you a warning or confirmation message, so read it carefully and confirm the change if needed. After that, auto-renewal will be turned off only for that selected service. That means Hostinger will not charge your saved payment method automatically when the renewal date comes. However, your service will still remain active until its current billing period ends, so disabling auto-renewal does not cancel it immediately. This is especially important if you only want to avoid future charges but still want to keep using the service until it expires. If later you change your mind, you can go back to the same billing and subscriptions page and enable auto-renewal again. One more thing to keep in mind. Hostinger says renewal charges can happen before the actual expiration date, depending on the service type, so it's best to disable auto-renewal before that charge date if you do not want the payment to go through. So again, the path is simple. Log into hPanel, go to Billing, open Subscriptions, find your service, and switch off auto-renewal. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.